Artificial intelligence is moving faster than ever, and these 7 apps will absolutely blow your mind. From building entire websites with just a sentence, to generating videos that look like they came out of Hollywood, these tools aren't just crazy, they're the future. Stick around, because app number 1 is so insane, it feels like science fiction. Welcome to AI Unboxed, the channel where we explore the latest AI tools, futuristic tech, and reviews of innovations shaping our world. If you're curious about what AI can really do, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 7 crazy AI apps you must try. And trust me, this list is anything but generic. These are hand-picked apps that are exploding in popularity and can actually change the way you work, create, and even live. Let's jump in. VoiceOver. Let's kick things off with number 7. DivID. Imagine building a website, a game, or even an interactive app without writing a single line of code. With DivID, all you do is type what you want. Something like, make me a travel blog with a photo gallery and contact form. And within seconds, it generates the full site, complete with layout, navigation, and even working scripts. This isn't just drag and drop. It's true natural language programming. Fun fact, teachers are already using DivID in classrooms, letting students build apps without touching code. That means kids are literally creating functioning websites during class. Now imagine using this yourself. Want to launch a side hustle or personal project? DivID could save you weeks of work and thousands of dollars in developer fees. Number 6 is one of the most creative apps I've seen, Higgsfield Soul. This app generates images so realistic that people often mistake them for professional photo shoots. But here's the twist. Instead of starting from scratch, you can apply one-click presets like Tokyo Street style, vintage film, or even studio lighting. The results? Jaw-dropping images that look like they came straight out of a fashion magazine. And here's what's crazy. Some influencers are already posting soul-generated content on Instagram, and their followers don't realize it's AI. Imagine needing a portfolio or brand campaign. Instead of hiring models, photographers, and renting locations, you just open Soul, click a few presets, and boom, instant professional-looking visuals. At number 5, we've got something that makes typing feel old school, Whisperflow. This AI app lets you dictate anything, emails, reports, even code. And it transcribes your speech instantly into apps across Mac, Windows, and iPhone. It's like having speech to text, but on steroids. It doesn't just write down what you say, it places it directly into the program you're working on. One user tested Flow during a Zoom call, and it not only transcribed the conversation, but at the same time, drafted polished meeting notes in Google Docs. Picture this. You're out on a walk, talking into your phone, and by the time you're back home, you've got a finished blog post or work report waiting for you. That's productivity reimagined. Number 4 is for anyone who's ever been frustrated shopping for clothes, Glam AI. Think of it as your own personal stylist in your pocket. Upload a selfie, and Glam AI lets you virtually try on outfits, hairstyles, and accessories in real time. You don't just see the clothes, you see yourself wearing them instantly. And here's the cool part. Fashion brands are already integrating Glam AI to let customers try before they buy, which is reducing returns and even saving on waste. Imagine browsing online, seeing a jacket you like, and instantly previewing exactly how it looks on you, all without stepping into a store. That's the future of shopping. At number 3, let's talk dating. Swiping endlessly left and right? Yeah, it gets old. Enter Sitch, an AI matchmaking app that blends algorithms with actual human review. Here's how it works. Sitch uses AI to analyze profiles, preferences, and patterns, then adds a layer of human curation so matches actually feel genuine. And here's the wildest part. The app can even generate AI voice introductions, so before you even chat, you get a sense of someone's personality. It's currently rolling out in cities like New York and San Francisco, and early users say it feels way more natural than other dating apps. Imagine skipping all the awkward small talk and being introduced to someone who's actually aligned with your vibe, thanks to AI. Number 2 is a game changer for students, professionals, and anyone who's tired of digging through endless Google results. Perplexity AI Pro. Unlike regular search engines, Perplexity doesn't just give you links. It synthesizes information from multiple sources, answers your question directly, and even provides citations you can click to verify. It's like having your own personal research assistant, available 24/7. One student said, Perplexity condensed a 50-page academic paper into just a few bullet points in under a minute. Now imagine you're on a deadline. Perplexity can help you finish research projects, presentations, or reports in hours instead of days. And finally, our number 1 pick, Runway ML Gen 3. This app is basically Hollywood in your laptop. With Runway, you can generate cinematic AI videos just by describing what you want. Need a drone shot flying over New York City? Done. Want a sci-fi spaceship landing in the desert? Easy. What makes Gen 3 different is the quality. It produces smooth, high-resolution video with realistic motion and cinematic style. You can even edit frame by frame, add transitions, or apply different film styles. Imagine creating YouTube shorts, TikToks, or even full commercials without a camera crew, actors, or expensive gear. For creators, this is game-changing. So there you have it. 7 absolutely crazy AI apps you can try right now. From building websites with DivID to generating hyper-realistic photos with Higgsfield Soul to cinematic videos with Runway ML Gen 3, it's clear that AI is no longer science fiction. It's here, it's powerful, and it's only getting crazier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to AI Unboxed, your front row seat to the future of technology. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll reveal AI tools that can actually make you money. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.